Ever pondered the effectiveness of GMAT prep software? It's a common tool for those preparing for the GMAT, but does it really offer all that you need? This video explores the common issues that arise when using GMAT prep software. Firstly, there's the issue of lack of personalization. GMAT prep software often offers a standard approach that may not cater to your unique learning style or address your specific weaknesses. Even though some advanced platforms use adaptive learning technologies, they might not provide the personalized feedback and guidance that a human tutor can offer. Secondly, these software programs present limited interaction and explanation. While they provide explanations for correct and incorrect answers, these might not be as thorough as those from a tutor or class instructor. Complex concepts may not be sufficiently explored, and nuanced points could be overlooked without interactive dialogue. Thirdly, there's a tendency for the focus to be on practice rather than strategy. GMAT prep software is often adept at providing practice questions and tests, but learning effective test-taking strategies often requires human insight. Time management, question selection, and stress management are better taught through interaction with experienced tutors. Then, we have to consider the limitations of technology. Technical issues such as software bugs, compatibility issues with certain devices, or poor user interface design can hinder learning and lead to frustration. Furthermore, motivation and discipline can be a challenge. Self-paced studying with software demands a high level of self-discipline and motivation, which can be hard to maintain over time. In contrast, structured classes and human tutors provide external deadlines and motivation. There's also the lack of holistic preparation. Effective GMAT preparation includes developing unique logic skills for the uniqueness of the test and interpersonal interactions. These aspects are not covered by GMAT prep software. Finally, while some software can track progress and identify weak areas, the feedback might not be as specific or actionable as that from a human coach. Detailed, personalized feedback is crucial for improving on more complex issues such as logical reasoning and data interpretation. So while GMAT prep software can be a valuable part of your study plan, it's often most effective when used in combination with other resources like books, courses, and tutoring. This way, you can ensure a well-rounded preparation experience. Remember, the road to GMAT success isn't one size fits all. It's a journey that requires a tailored, comprehensive approach. MBA House provides the foundation for your GMAT prep success. Over 50 hours of live GMAT classes, self-paced software support with all the required official GMAT content, and unlimited private tutoring to fine-tune your progress. Let's study together.